Well, hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to install a custom shifter. If I could figure it out. And I should be able to. Get two little torque screws holding this on. One in the back, one in the front. Drop that sucker down like that. I already had to let all the air out of it. You have to let the air out of it first, so I just unplugged one of them, drained my air tanks out, and then we can proceed with getting these out of the way, because it is hard to do this with these in the way. I wish they were marked, but they're not marked. So when I do replace these, I'll do them one at a time. Don't mean to block the camera, but sometimes it happens. Glad I grabbed that. Okay, I need all of this. That's weird. The old crescent wrench will do. You just gotta loosen that jam nut right there. Once you get that jam nut loose, you can take the air valve assembly off. I pull that jam nut off because the new one didn't come with a jam nut. And you can take the sleeve off. I have a chrome one that I bought quite some time ago. Get these little rubber doodads off of here. Little rubber rings. And really I don't know how extensive any of this really is, but I don't even know why I'm taking these O-rings off, but I'll do it anyways, fuck it. And to save time, I loosened all of these, that way you're not watching me take screws out. These are a Phillips head. And I had to use this on the ones in the back, unless you have a stubby screwdriver, which for some reason I could not find my little stubby Phillips head. Cup holder's a good place. Hopefully this is a simple process. I did buy new Airlines, and they're supposed to be longer, but I don't know how far these go. I'm hoping I can just pull this off and access it from the top. I've never had this off before, so this should be interesting. We made a little noise, it's alright. See, I wasn't sure how this boot was held on, so, but now I see it's Phillips head. I thought it was possibly attached to that other thing, but it's not. Should get my screw gun out, but come on. Yeah, per everything on this truck. Everything pretty much unscrews really easy. Nothing's tight. Of course, I don't want to jinx myself and say that nothing on here is tight, and then I'm going to get to something that's been put on by Magilla Gorilla. Yeah, this is a plate shaped just like that other thing. And you can see on the pad there where I spilled coffee. Awesome. Ow! Come on. If you get that, it's not too tight, it's just a hard reach. Interesting. Yeah, I did hear somebody on another video talk about having to get in here to do anything, and what a pain it was. Oops, knock your glasses off, dude. one goes there. The red one goes there. This one see, every time I get down here my glasses fall off. Well, I think the best thing to do, cut that and take the stick off. If I take that stick off, then I can get my head down in there. Okay, so what we have here, there's one bolt right there that holds the stick on. Well, at least it's supposed to be one bolt. There we go. Oh, somehow that's supposed to come off of there. I'll have to figure that out, but then the Airlines, one goes down there and back, and the other one connects right there and right there. So once I get the stick off, then I can replace these Airlines, because I bought new Airlines. Got me some new Airlines here. It's supposed to be 12 feet long, so we'll see. And then those are a factory replacement product. I got 4 of them. My truck only uses 3 of them, so 18 speed. I don't know what the other one would be for. Maybe it's for something else, I don't know. But I'll get this shaft off here and trace that other line out and get it disconnected and replace my lines and put the new stick on and go from there. Okay, so here we are underneath the truck. This line comes down and connects right here on this fitting. Right there. So you have to push that little clip in there. I actually have new ones of these. I might just go the route of changing the whole thing since I got it, because the Airline kit came with them. So now you know where that's at, and I didn't want to leave that part out. So I'll go ahead and pull that line off. I might just go ahead and replace the fitting. It's easy enough. That fitting right there. Okay. Into a more comfortable position here. You know, if the exhaust pipe wasn't here, this would be an easy thing here. As I get this 70-piece exhaust pipe, just so I can change that little thing. That thing is a 12 millimeter. I thought we got rid of the metric system in this country. Whoa, we'll think them out. Interesting. Obviously, I'm gonna have to go get that out of there with the vise or something, because this whole piece came out. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, get the new fitting mounted up. Throw that in there. It's not, none of it's tight, but it will be. This is always a problem when you're laying down underneath the vehicle. You always end up losing tools because you're laying on them. Yeah, probably not the best tools. Some shitty thing that's frozen. Yeah, none of this shit was tight on here, so it's no surprise. Yeah, I hate trying to grab these stupid things. Should do her. If I can get these other things unlocked, I'll turn on that other thing. But Jesus, they're like jammed together. Yeah, tight. Okay, now I gotta reach up here and grab that blue Airline. I don't know if blue is a color, but only need 3 lines, so blue will do. They got blue, green, red, and black. I'll use black and red on the other side, just like it came, and we'll be good to go. Let me get out from under here. Once I get everything connected up, I'll come down here and put zip ties and shit on that and get it all pretty. Or run it through that tube. I don't know. Alright, back up top. Alright, so this is what I have here. It is a 48-inch double bend shifter made by SH Tube. And you didn't really miss anything. Connected the Airline underneath, ran that up, connected the other 2 Airlines up here. The splitter, or the range selector, that one goes straight down and connects right there. The red one goes right down and connects next to it. And yeah. Okay, so this is your splitter. That's right here. That's the black one. That one's the one that goes down there. Pardon me. The blue one, and it's color coded on there. It's blue and red. You can't screw it up. Getting the Airlines through this tube was a major bitch. I got the black one through by pushing and turning, and it finally popped through. Then I hooked the red line onto it and pulled the red line up, pulled that, because these things are 12 feet long. I mean, I got so much extra tubing, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. And then I had to do the same thing with this black line, hook it onto the red, and you know, I pulled the red line down until this is just a little bit sticking through. Then I tied the black line, pushed the black line as far as I could go, and then electrical taped it on there and pulled that one through. It's a bitch, and it likes to kink and mess up. Now here's the final problem. I have this chrome sleeve here. It does not fit over top of that. I don't know why it doesn't fit, but it doesn't fit. I even cut the notches out on the bottom of it so it'll slide over there, but it's too tight with the airlines. It's like pinching the airlines. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna just tie a bandana around it for now until I can get a hold of Rainey's Truck Parts, where I bought this thing at, and see what they say. But yeah. Yep, now I got my gigantic ass gorilla shifter. Yeah, it wasn't hard, and I was taking my time and dicking around. So I mean, it's just easy. One bolt pulls that off. For all your airlines down, disconnect them. You can change them if you want. The truck's like a year old, so the two air fittings up there were fine. I replaced the one on the bottom, as you saw, for no other reason than just to do it. And snake the lines up through here. You know, you got to be a little bit creative, and then screw your top back on, tighten your jam nut, and you're ready to rock and roll. Well, that's it. I hope that maybe you'll see that if I can do it, you can do it. It's not that hard, because I didn't see any other videos on YouTube about how to change that. Everything's about putting extensions and shit on, which that gives me an idea. I do have an extension. We can go taller. I got enough airline, got enough slack, and then I can put my little gizzy on. Yeah, maybe I'll try that. I'll roll with it like this for a little while, because I'm tired of fucking with it right now, but we'll get to it. I just got to get the rest of it done. I was going to take that plate inside there and scrub it up real good, get the dirt out of the grooves of it, and drop it back on there, and that's it. All right. Y'all have a nice day, and we'll catch you on the next video.